KULR stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Sure thing I'm looking for buys because this thing went up 46%. Yeah, F yeah. I just recently actually got a +4R win, which I called out here. This is this movement like that I'm talking like that I called out.
Is it a buy or
like,
not?
here it is, 2 days ago, 15th of December.
Once we open, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna start buying.
Look at this, right? So boom, just come here. Yeah, but before that I got a loss and then a win. So I'm looking at these new highs that we've had. It's kind of retracing down. As long as I see like a proper double break, there's nothing stopping me from longing, but now it's not the time. Now it's not the time. I really need more candles to appear, and for more candles to appear, more time needs to pass. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. See you.